How to replace a Human Touch Super Novo X Backrest Air Pump. You will need both a short and long-handled Phillips head screwdriver, preferably magnetized, a wire cutter, and new zip ties. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, use a short-handled Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws that secure the rear shroud to the chair. Pull the rear of the shroud toward you slightly, then lift it to detach it. Turn the shroud clockwise, then rest it on the floor, behind the chair. Now, use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the 3 screws that secure the PCB cover to the chair. Lift the cover, then pull it toward you to remove it. Next, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws that secure the back cover to the chair. Grip the cover by the sides, then pull it toward you to remove it. Locate the black air pump connector to the main PCB. Remove the red connector lock by pulling outward on the tab, then upward, then disconnect the connector. Follow the air pump cable, cutting the 4 zip ties that secure the cable to the rest of the cable bundle. Next, pull the air hose off the air pump. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the air pump to the chair, 1 in each corner. Remove the air pump from the chair. To install the new air pump, place it into position with the air hose fitting facing the rear of the chair, then replace the 4 screws to secure it. Next, install the air hose onto the fitting, as far as it will go. Install the connector lock onto the air pump connector, then connect the connector to the main PCB. Install 4 new zip ties to secure the air pump cable to the rest of the cable bundle, in the same locations as they were installed previously. Cut the excess zip ties. Now, note the 6 tabs on the back cover. Note the corresponding slots on the chair. Align the tabs with the slots, then push firmly to install the back cover. Replace the 4 screws to secure the back cover to the chair. Note the 2 tabs on the PCB cover and the corresponding slots on the chair. Slide the tabs into the slots, then lower the cover into position. Tighten the 3 screws to secure the cover. Rotate the shroud into position. Note the slots on the underside of the rear shroud and the corresponding posts on the chair frame. Lower the slots onto the posts, then push the shroud forward to engage the posts in the slots. Replace the 2 screws to secure the shroud to the chair. If the screws will not go in, then the posts on the rear of the shroud are not installed properly into the slots. Plug in the chair, then power it on. Power on the remote. Press the power button again, then select power off to restore the chair. The chair is restored when the door touch panel lights turn from red to blue and the remote automatically powers off.